Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to identify the best streaming softwares for Windows. Now let's jump into it. And the software number one is OBS Studio. This is a best live streaming software you can install for Windows or either Mac OS or Linux. And this is the best software for live streaming, and this is free and open source. The Windows users can download this software through this download button, and the macOS users can download from this button, and the Linux users can download through this button. And by using this software, you can live stream for YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook, and etc. And the second software for live streaming is Streamlabs, and you can download this software through streamlabs.com. And this is a super awesome software for live streaming in Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and many more. And this is also 100 to 100% free. You can use it, and this is 240 MB the installer for Windows. And this is a super awesome, as you can see through this video. And the third best software for live streaming in Windows is NVIDIA Broadcast. Now when you click Google and when you type NVIDIA Broadcast, then the top search result will be this site. And this is an awesome tool for live streaming in YouTube, gamings, and Twitch, and all other applications. This uses AI technology to remove background and many more, and noise removal functions. You can download this app from here by clicking download now. So this is 46.5 MB. And the fourth best software for live streaming is StreamYard. This is an awesome tool for live streaming. You can use either the free version or the paid version, and the pricings are over here. And the free version is $0, and basic version is $20 per month, and the professional version is $39 per month. The free version restricts some features of this application, and it limits the streaming, and only 20 hours can record in per month. And the basic plan will allow you to stream unlimited streamings, and I recommend to go with the basic plan, which is more easy to stream. And the speciality of this website is this allows you multi-streaming, which is a best feature. You can stream with Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitch, and YouTube with your voice over, and you can remove your green screens, or you can upload backgrounds, and you can live stream at the same time when you are live streaming in Facebook, YouTube, and all other softwares. And this is highly recommended and a super awesome software for live streaming. And the fifth best live streaming software is miles.com. In this software, you can either screen record or you can record the games, and this is a super awesome live streamer, and you can download this software the live streaming software from this button. By clicking on this button, you can download the live streaming and screen recording software. And this is 106 MB of data is required to download this setup. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy for more videos and tech tips. See you in my next video.